Mother's going to teach me? Oh boy! Now I'm going to learn how to hit home runs for sure.
Well, let's start with your...
The Grand Rapids Police Department has issued a civil emergency message for the city of Grand Rapids, effective until further notice. Around 45 minutes ago, fruits and vegetables from refrigerators have been spontaneously coming to life. These fruits and vegetables include, but are not limited to, celery sticks, apples, bananas, cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, pears, oranges, strawberries, watermelons, and grapefruits. One of the oranges seemed to have a sense of funny humor and puns. This orange is now known to be annoying, giving it the name, Annoying Orange. Stay tuned for more further updates.
Let's forget about pitching balls for now. You have to learn those things I talked about first.
You like the show, and I hope you learned something from it. I know I did.
Well?
What are you doing?
I'm a superhero too!
We interrupt this programming for an emergency alert. Please stay tuned to your KLDI TV station. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Grand Rapids Police Department. Around 56 seconds ago, the annoying orange fruit has been roaming around Grand Rapids, and has been saying commands like, knife, or blender to human beings, and also other commands that can spawn dangerous weaponry to put anyone in possible fatalities and deaths. So, it is advised if you keep a 400-mile radius of the annoying orange. The fruit has sadistic and dark senses as he is the one murderer of all kinds of fruits and vegetables. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. We now return you to your KLDI TV animation channel programming.
Keep you from being the kid he wants you to be.
Lady boy had a weakness for chocolate.
That's why I needed the help of the good friends that God gave me to keep chocolate from getting the best of me.
Immediate evacuation. Immediate evacuation. This is not a test, and should be taken extremely seriously. The Traverse Police Department and the Grand Rapids Police Department have issued an immediate evacuation for the cities of Traverse, Michigan, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. The annoying orange character now has duplicates of him as they are all chattering one phrase, "I'm an orange." And they seem to be repeating their phrases many times in a row. When they see a human being, they all will summon any kind of dangerous weaponry that kills people, so stay alert, and stay tuned for more further updates on this highly dangerous situation.
Oh, hello. You must be the inspector that Mr. Rage sent over. Yes, he told me about your nasty temper and that I should...
This is a law enforcement warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The annoying orange duplicates have now transformed into monsters that are causing massive destruction to the public and have black eyes and a terrifying smile with their lower jaws down. They are also seen attacking civilians in the upper and lower peninsulas of Michigan. The whole state of Michigan is under a temporary lockdown. Barricade all windows and doors. You will need non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a firearm in case of intrusion, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, chargers, extra batteries, and mobile devices so you can be notified of an emergency evacuation and/or an alert. Stay tuned for more further updates on this highly dangerous situation.
She'll get offended if I use the word
This is the EAS Details channel. All programming has been interrupted at the request of the White House. Please stand by.
This is an emergency action notification. Please stand by for this message. Emergency. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Michigan State Police Association in conjunction with the White House to participate in this emergency. All television stations have interrupted their regularly scheduled programming to tune into this emergency. The annoying orange monster duplicates have been successfully defeated, but the original annoying orange has mutated into the creepypasta version of himself known as Analog Orange, which was also delivered as annoyingorange.exe. There is currently no time until the monster stops its reign of terror. This is an emergency action notification. All programming has been interrupted by the request of the White House to participate at this time. Please follow these guidelines to protect yourself from getting attacked by this monster. First, seek shelter in the lowest room in a sturdy building. Hiding in the attic is not to do so. Second, grab the essentials you'll need that includes, but is not limited to, a firearm in case of intrusion, batteries, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, blankets, pillows, other safe objects like food, water, clothing, and medical supplies. And third, grab all family members and pets, and be at a silent volume. Analog Orange has supersonic hearing. Barricade all windows and doors. Failure to follow these steps will put your life in danger. We will try in our power to stop this ongoing crisis. May God bless you.
This has been the emergency alert system. We are done. All operations of the emergency alert system have been stopped. Thank you for your cooperation. You may now exit your shelters. By delivering you this message, you are legally required to exit your shelters now. The crucial event is over. And now, all operations of the EAS are done. The Analog Orange monster has destroyed half of the entire United States of America. Please look forward as we continue building our country brick by brick. We want to thank you, and goodbye. As we look forward to another year, we'll see you next time as we look forward to continuing our building to rebuild our destiny.